Close to 150 mothers from both Laropi Town Council and Laropi Sub-County turned up to receive the kits in an event which took place at Laropi Health Center 3. Jamie Nolet, the co-founder Pipeline Worldwide, a non-governmental organization working in partnership with Moyo General Hospital, said they decided to give out the kits to the mothers because they want to reduce on maternal and neonatal deaths in the district, since many mothers fear to go to the health facilities to deliver because most of them could not afford the kits, hence risking their lives by delivering at home.
A few years ago, when I learned about the need of women who have to bring all their own supplies to the hospital, I was meeting with the leadership team at Locho Hospital, and I remember them saying, "When are we going to get some more baby blankets?" And I thought that was a strange request after we had been doing some really much larger, bigger things. And what I learned was that women have to bring all their own supplies: baby blanket, soap, menstrual hygiene pads. And they said that if a woman is so poor and can't even bring their own baby blanket, there's a lot of shame associated with that. And so they'll often then choose to deliver at home. And that really struck me as very painful as a mother. I didn't want that to be a reason that women would not be able to make it to a health center. So it's a small gesture as far as to let women know that we care and that we're here to do bigger things and really want to ultimately reduce maternal and neonatal mortality in this region. And there's a lot of things that we need to do, but this is a first start at this health center, is to let the women know we love them and that we want them to have the supplies to, at least when they come to the hospital, that they are ready to welcome a newborn baby.
Sandia Teddy Christine, the midwife at Laropi Health Center 3, said the mothers' kits given to the expectant mothers is of great importance because they have been faced with the challenge of many mothers coming to the facility without sanitary pads, which oftentimes disorganizes them as health workers during delivery.
We brought mothers a kit. In it, we have a towel for baby, we have panties, pads, and other things for receiving babies. So this thing, babies' clothes. So this thing is going to help mothers, because in Laropi Health Center here, some mothers are coming even without pads. We are really getting difficulties in padding these people when they come for delivery. After delivery, sometimes when you ask for pad, they don't have. But today at least we receive pads, which they are going to use, and it is reusable. So it's going to help them for a long period of time. So we really thank these pipeline people to have brought these things for our mothers.
Messicha Gloria, a beneficiary, lauded Pipeline Worldwide for the gift and said the bag will help them to carry the baby clothes and other items for wiping the baby, while the sanitary pads will help them during bleeding. Mandara Jacqueline, another beneficiary, said she will use the bag for carrying different items, especially when she is traveling, and thanked Pipeline for thinking about the mothers in Laropi. Pipeline Worldwide, a non-governmental organization based in Arizona, United States, has been partnering with Moyo General Hospital since 2019 to date and has been supplying the hospital with medical equipment so as to better health service delivery to the public across the district. Dominic Anthony Okumu, West Nile TV, Nilecast.